Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get working one-state RP promo codes, okay? And you can just go ahead and fill these in right here. These are the expired ones. These do not work. If you see any of these anywhere, they will not work. And now all you need to do, right now by the way, there is no active one that is available as of this date. So what you do, you just come here, search one-state RP promo code. You change this, right? Filters. You click on tools. We change from any time to at least past month, and you look for the ones in the past month, and you see the latest codes. So as you can see, this one doesn't seem like there is latest promo codes, but you do the same thing every single month. For the past year, they are available. I know we've used them, but you just do this every single month until you get ones that actually work. Then you can enter your code right here. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.